Using 2015 Pajero. So now it is 5 years old. So I was thinking about to change a look, like refresh my car. I check online and then I found that Clayton Tesla. They feel it's very good response from the different customers. I check online who is a vendor in Dubai and I found Caronic, authorized dealer in Dubai. And I just came here immediately. It took almost 30 minutes to change everything and then they fit a new look now. So I check it all the system and it is look perfect. It is Android system and I can download all the applications. I can go to the Google Map and I can use same like my mobile. I can use my car dash now. It's look very nice. A new look for my car. So if you are planning to change your music system, best place to go to Caronic.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video.